I'm a mouse. Duh. Leopard, mouse. No, I'm a cat. Just, if I do this, we're just gonna imagine that these are cat ears. This is my last minute costume idea. If you truly do not know what to be for Halloween. Super easy. It's makeup that you could wear to work and then on your way to the party, throw on some whiskers and a nose and a cat eye and you're good to go. This is also a good pun costume. You could be a copycat or a scaredy cat, and I'll talk to you more about that at the end of the video, so you have to stay tuned till the end to catch the whole costume. This is super easy, super fun, it'll last all night. It's makeup that you already have and it can be adjusted to anyone or anything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. If you want to see how I did this, just keep watching. I'm starting off with my eyelids primed using my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. And I'm just going to use a really basic neutral palette. This is the Lorac Pro. It's just got really easy to use everyday colors. This is still one of my favorite palettes of all time. And I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and the color Cream, which, as you may suspect, is a cream color. And I'm just going to use this to set my lids. For the eyes, you could really do anything you want. The eyeliner is going to be the star of the show, but I'm just going to use the color Taupe, which is a taupe color, to add a little bit of definition into my crease. The great thing about this look is that you could do your makeup in the morning for work or for school or whatever you do, and then add a little bit of eyeliner and a nose and some whiskers, and you are ready to go to a party, you know? Or trick or treat. I miss trick-or-treating. Now I'm going to take a smaller crease brush and the color Sable, which is a matte brown, and take that into the outer corner and then up to the crease. And I'm just going to do really basic, a little bit of gold on the eyelid. I'm taking the color Gold and a Profusion flat shader brush. I am going to spray it with a little bit of all-nighter. And pat that on the lid. I'm going to go back into that, or back with that crease brush into the color Espresso, which is a really dark brown, and just build up that outer corner, and you can start flicking it out to get the shape. Just a really easy cat eye. Okay, I have set my foundation. I just did a BB cream and some concealer. Let's move on to the eyebrows. For eyebrows, you could go a lot of different ways. You could do like a really fluffy, spiky brow if you have time. Yes, but if you're gonna wear this makeup to work first, just go really easy. I don't think the eyebrows are necessarily like integral to the look. So I'm gonna use my NYX micro brow in ash brown and just lightly fill them in. Let me use a better mirror. Okay, why am I actually having a really good brow day on this side? Oh, the irony. Good brow day, bad health day. Okay, brows are on. I'm going to use a little bit of Gimme Brow to kind of spike up the hairs a little bit, just make them extra fluffy. Okay, the brows are on. Let's get the under eyes. Okay, I'm going to take a pencil brush. This happens to be the world's worst pencil brush, so we'll see how this goes. And I'm going to take the color Sable, which is that lighter brown color, and just go underneath the lower lash line. And you're welcome to smoke that out as much as you want, but I'm thinking like daytime look, this is about what I would do. I would just throw on some mascara and some inner corner highlight, and then the eye look would be done for daytime. And then when you get home, you would get the liquid liner out. I'm using Stila Stay All Day. This is waterproof. This is just my favorite. And I'm just gonna line it like normal. I'm going all the way into the inner corner, which I normally don't. And then big wing. Okay, so you could definitely go bigger for your wing, no problem with that. And you could actually wear this to work. I think that's fine. This is like a pretty moderate wing. The kicker is you're gonna take the inside corner and you're gonna kind of match out that wing on the inner corner, like opposite. Take a lot of blink breaks. Oh. Like that. And then quickly you're going to want to take a black color on a really small either liner brush or pencil brush, whatever you have, and just quickly stamp that inner corner so that if your eyes do start watering, which most people they will, you don't have any runoff, or at least not as much. Sorry about that. And then take a black pencil liner and line your waterline. Okay, so the last step for the eyeshadow is to take a really small brush and an inner corner highlight color. I'm using the color Nude right there. And lightly put that in the inner corner, but don't go over the black. Okay, you could add glitter, you could add literally anything you want at this point. I'm just gonna add some mascara and call the eyeshadow good. Okay, some half lashes on the outer corner would be, with this, like, it would be amazing. Really elongate those eyes. I'm gonna leave it like this and just contour and highlight. You can use whatever contour you want. You can use whatever, anything you want. I'm just gonna use Cocoa Contour by Too Faced. And I'm gonna take a Real Techniques contour brush with medium mocha and just really chisel out. Oh no, do I have purple on this? Whatever, we'll figure it out. Now I'm just gonna take a blush. Let's use Benefit Dandelion on a Real Techniques blush brush and sweep that across the cheeks. I'm gonna run that across the nose as well. And a little bit on the forehead. Okay, now let's highlight. Again, you can use whatever highlight you feel comfortable with. I'm gonna use Wet n Wild Blossom Glow. Okay, so that's it for the face. Now we're gonna add whiskers. Yeah. I'm gonna go, let's do this. You could do like a cute little triangle for the nose if you want. I'm going to go underneath. You will never feel as uneven as you will with that line there, okay? So just accept it. Your mouth is not going to be even with your nose. It's fine. It's fine. I'm going to line my top lip. And that's the shape that I'm working with. And then I'm just gonna fill it in. Now, ideally, you would wanna take the black into the nostril. There's that. And then also, you do wanna sanitize this. Because this is a pencil, all I have to do is bring up a little bit and then cut off that tip that has been in my nose. And then just take a little rubbing alcohol to the tip of this. So I'm gonna set that aside so that I remember to do so, hopefully. And now I need a flat shader brush and the black from this palette. Any black will do. And you're just gonna set the underside of your nose with this. I'm gonna use my liquid liner for the whiskers. And where do I want them? Yeah. Boom. That one's a little wonky. Whiskers. And then for lips, you could do whatever you want. I'm going to do Fenty Uninvited, which is a black liquid lip, just on the top. Pray for me. This formula is expert level. Okay, and then on my bottom lip, I'm just gonna do a nice nude color. That's a little too nude. Yeah, okay. It's gonna be your instinct to rub your lips together. Don't. Okay, we're gonna pretend that these are not mouse ears and that they're cat ears. And if I do that, you'd never know. Except that it still looks like it. So this is it. Now, I threw on a leopard cardigan to go with the cat theme. I'll link some cat ears down below from Amazon, 2-day shipping, perfect timing. And then that's it. Hold on. You could get a white t-shirt and some iron-on letters and just write copy on your shirt, and then you're a copycat. That especially works if you have a friend and you get your friend to wear like the same outfit and a white shirt, and then you do the same thing but just write copy. Or you could be a scaredy cat and just write scaredy. Endless number of cat puns, okay? Just do what you want. But when in doubt, go for a cat. It's a cute makeup. It looks pretty. You could wear leopard, which is really in for fall. It's fine. It's makeup that you can wear to work and then just throw on some whiskers and a nose and be good to go by the time you get ready to go out and do fun things in the world. I hope this helps. If you have other last minute costume ideas, leave them down below for other people to see. You could be Hello Kitty with this look. I've done that several times. Yeah, leave your last minute costume ideas down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Cool. Thanks, guys.